Have you ever wondered how AI is reshaping our world and what implications it might have on our future? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept confined to science fiction novels or futuristic movies. Today, it's a reality that's transforming various sectors, from technology and economy to society at large. Imagine this. AI is like a new kind of electricity, powering innovations and advancements that were once deemed impossible. It's becoming an integral part of our everyday lives, changing the way we interact with technology. From voice assistants on our smartphones, to self-driving cars on our roads, to algorithms predicting our shopping habits, AI is everywhere. But that's not all. AI's potential extends far beyond our daily routines. It's revolutionizing industries, reshaping businesses, and even redefining the boundaries of human knowledge and capabilities. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we will be touching upon some recent developments that have made headlines. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey into the future, a future where AI holds the key to unlocking limitless possibilities. In the business realm, AI has made a significant mark. Let's look at some recent news. Verse Innovation, the parent company of Indian short video app Josh and news aggregator Daily Hunt, has raised a substantial amount of $805 million in a funding round led by Canada's top pension fund. This has resulted in a staggering valuation of Verse Innovation at $5 billion. The investment will be used to bolster Verse's AI-powered local language content platform across its family of apps. The aim? To target the next billion internet users in India. This points to the growing recognition of AI's potential to bridge language gaps and reach wider audiences. But the story doesn't end there. Josh, with over 150 million monthly active users, is in a race with homegrown rival Moj and Instagram Reels in India's short video space. This heated competition underscores the crucial role that AI plays in driving user engagement and innovation, even in sectors as dynamic as short-form video content. This goes to show how AI is making waves in the business world, enabling companies to reach new heights. In the world of news and media, AI is breaking the traditional norms. Let's take a trip to China, where a new digital news anchor named Ren Xiaorong has emerged. Ren is a virtual young woman, programmed to deliver round-the-clock news coverage. She also runs virtual Q&A sessions, but with a twist. Ren gives pre-programmed answers to questions about China's political conference, meaning users cannot type their own queries to her. Despite these limitations, Ren has received a warm welcome on Weibo, a heavily moderated and censored platform. She represents a growing trend in China, where digital AI news anchors first made their debut back in 2018. But news anchors are not the only AI figures in China's media landscape. The country is racing to develop its own AI chatbots, with Baidu, one of China's most used search engines, launching Ernie, its own version of a chatbot. AI is not only revolutionizing how news is delivered but also how information is disseminated. The influence of AI isn't just limited to tech and media. It's making its presence felt even in the stock market. Traditionally, we've seen AI being used in algorithmic trading, where machines analyze data at a speed far beyond human capability to make informed investment decisions. But what's intriguing is the recent surge in the popularity of AI stocks themselves. Take, for instance, OpenAI's language tool, Chat GPT. Its impressive language generation capabilities have attracted significant attention, leading to Microsoft making a whopping $10 billion investment in OpenAI. This has created a ripple effect, firing up the interest of investors in AI stocks. Well-known chip stocks like Nvidia, Mobileye, and Ambarella have seen gains, as well as more obscure names like Staffing 360 and BigBear.ai. This trend is further fueled by the emergence of AI-driven investment funds like Watson, which are outperforming the market. And it's not just in the United States. This trend is global, with companies like Baidu in China announcing their own language tools, competing in the AI space. As we can see, AI is not just a technological trend but a financial phenomenon that's changing the way we invest. Its influence in the stock market signifies a shift in how we view technology, not just as tools, but as valuable assets that can drive economic growth and prosperity. Want more updates on the latest AI news? Subscribe and smash that bell to get more content like this.